either love me with my kids or you
go.
The moment I'm in a relationship with you,
are
I'm
broke.
very broke.
Yes.
Yes,
you're supposed to take care of me. You were in Abugumisiriza nyokubingire geira.
Yeah, I know. You know sometimes he's nothing.
You go and pave a way for someone who is willing to come.
The only thing that he had that was nice was his car. I'm not building any man.
If you build a man, this fool is going to leave you. Omwana kagamba go funye go.
Go back.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.
Tubatangirira abalozi baita ba Kitara TV. Amabara neira kamusimenta Allen. Tuli hasho program yaite enu niyo show ebandize officially sponsored by Kabalega Resort. Hoima. So takagenza aramba inbasa mugenda social media platforms. Mu subscribing Kitara TV, you like, you comment, you share. So mkono gwange gwe moso nyina ko host wange this beautiful lady mbaye nimsaba introducing tukutangirire waitu.
Mabara gange banyita Vivi Abigaba, CEO of Vivi's Collection. Tubatangirire kubana nyo hano wa Kitara TV. Muteba kusubscribing a channel zaitu ha YouTube, ha TikTok, ha Facebook. Mugendeho musubscribing, mucommenting, mutufollowing, mutuolekie ngonzi. Omaiso gayo hano twikalire na the beautiful rich mama around town. Omisikia tunde wigi no gijuara no hurambo jwa isoke lyo mujunguli yenyini. Madam CEO, the platform is yours.
Thank you so much. Mwebale kuturora, mwebale kutugonza Kitara TV. Amabara gange ni nyoba mwine Catherine, CEO Kathy's Skin and Body Solutions. Kukwabaliza Kathy's Hair Lux Skin and Body Solutions. Ninkora human hair nkokokura nkokwajoira kasoke. My hair is authentic. Ababimanyire mubimanyire. Eisoke rirungi, texture nungi. Tukora na mibiri. Abakazi abayinenda nkoto, kwenda kwe slimming, kwenda kunyeta. So we got you covered. So I'm super excited to be here with these beautiful girls.
Ijwezi nkaba auto. Nyasanga abana bahima ni baspending. Abana sente mukuzihanga. Basikinyo kamwina sente. Mukora di like cause every day omuntu ogenda auto kusanga abana bayina sente bakulia bakunywa. Bana nye sente mukuzihanga. Mukora like sente mukuzihanga. Mwina abasama, mwina kihuru na mbere mukuya sente. Abana bahima bansobere Allen. Honestly abana bakuchakara Monday to Monday bayina sente bakulia bakunywa. What like nkona kumanya tips ezo logic era behind cause abana sente bakuzihanga Allen.
Obunda abambakora.
I don't know.
Oyiro baitu bakora sazinga boko mwana kuchakara kuruganye nkiakara. Mande tu mande no.
Mukanda yiko nyuma abana Abaisiki ba mtown hano. To tukubarira musana. Musano sagama tibalimu. Baitu mukiro. Nibora ni batura. Obiro baba bukeiri bokutura.
Batura saa zibatanga 12. Nibarabanga na mu masaluni, makeup. By the way, mwebale kutwagira Abaisikinywe. Thank you so much. Mwebale kutwagira. Kwegamba tutwakuba ituli hano tatwagira.
Si yanka bagambire mwebale kubahagira, mwebale tuna kutuhagira because we are all in the same department is abakazi. Mwongeno kutuhagira obuhagizo bobwije kuyekimba entamanyire akasente ako mukayihanka ikirungi. Mutuhagira akasente kandi mukaleta ati muyaye ebintu bya ibanje. Baitu nokukora mtandike ukora mukodopa nainyi.
Baitu okimanyire like halabana I don't know tingia gamba halabana abana Abaisiki bakulivinga fake life. Nyo abantu bandora mumanyire like omumanyire kimuchonka norora ekintu the picture she's portraying out there norora eri haiguru muno like I don't know,
it's very fake.
Abana baku
tihali bona tugambire bona but there are some people batumanyire abana norora bakwevuga speed abakuba nankala ati it's really absurd that this nuko abana bato abakwija babiro bino abato abakwija behind us Abaisiki nuko mchuzingire koraki kubole kya that picture is showing abana bakwevuga speed competition one wiga gijore mbarora haduka ona joire wigenda nanyo kugenda nanyo no sangola ati akawigi kamuke mitwara nana akasasuliraho miezi 3.
I know.
Like for real.
I know. akwenda kunyirira akwenda kuoleka the public nga kasenta atayina so aina proving a point the public center azina so hati nobogamba mba kufakinga life at the end of the day wakolekia ensi tamutamumanyire mbu she's doing well kumbe kuno obogendo katoroliza abana okusanga abana banu they are in a room like 5 girls
I know
bakubema mu room mwegi basikinka batano no barora out here bakuija vivi kwenda kakoye kati of course nyo I'm into business I am here to make money so mwana naija nagura kagoyi but ogenda okafindinga the root cause like haliki kurugira okusanga abana bakubya batano bakunaga mu falisi mu room emu kyonka bayizira heri mu bar bine ebintu byokwefura ngo bakuslaying
Hataho niho amabanja gakutahira mwao nagena na yehoza barata sobere kwehoza nagena afunayo omusajja mukuru w'emyaka 6
aina kwetega afune kigayiga so nikyo kora aina kwetega mu sente regardless of the fake life yaina haiguru kuneta manyire so aina kufuna that public attraction like akuzoka kurungi akujwara kurungi agenda mchokaki ya bay ni kwa attracting the these guys abatamumanyire and you know of course men nyabasajja mwenda bakaza abarungi abakuzoka kurungi you know abakujwara abali very sexy abaina that nyashe thing that beauty kandi kubini tukujwara gabana bakujwara baiza wenye na list ya bana abakujwara kabina ho imahani era otragenda mpora nation nja kuturukia bulisho nja kuturukia eiban era gena mu comment section yaito wokuba manyira ngo ino mwana wo manyira kujwara kabina mubaze you're the next host ashena abakwatu kwenda abakujwara kabina leka bayikala nacho omusije okuva kwendeze Allen leka kwende with that little bum is yours because hali abasajja tagama ngo nyoti kwenda vivi kwenda Allen because Allen akasize kaika kumumara cha kwenda cafe akwenda vivi skim coat but ati okwenda omusajja kwenda akabina okuika mu room no yama
ngero rakajura
baita chokura appointed nyawanga muno abaisiki bakole kinte kiba kwenda
okay
you guys confidence abana abaisiki bagira confidence so if someone is out there na rorambo kujwara mani yago nkeki umuha confidence nyomba supportinga baita bando rora back exaggeratinga no ramanyo makoto kuno buguru hansi buli butito me I support it because buli amaino mlinga nanka nikyo kula abantu bajwaro bulega yes cause me I really put it to that nti ola jwara kalega kuboostinga hoki ebereriye so nola kukwata kabina kajwara kola ki kuboostinga ho that shape
it is okay
but
don't wakana kujwara kabina
why are you faking that
no tukakana kujwara kabina kafe because at the end of the day it is all your life. It all comes back to you. But my whole point is, Ojwaira kabina and the guy is taking to the room.
I know.
Where are you going to get that audacity and the confidence? Yokujura mwa kabina. Guy attack kurora. How are you going to play this thing? Ogenda kai hamu utakati.
Ache kankugambire vivi. Nikyo kurora musajja akubya murundi gumu agenzeri. Habwa akasanga kabina.
Akabakwendeza kabina. Hato wakabwene mungo yekanyeseri. Nyongo muikira ground.
Obaba isiki bagambire gaba bakwana mbuwe kanu kabina.
Tosobora kibaza.
How do you see?
No, you can't because
nyenkani kabura.
Tosobora kibaza bwensonga. This is what has attracted this guy to come in your life, you understand? But then at the end of the day nkobogambire mbuga agenda kuli akuleko abera izira bwakabina. Chonga kabina takasangire. And this guy aina kuli agende. Habako kiba kimulesere kabayikaki.
Kabina.
Hati tikaro. Hati yagambe kiba ikindesere kiriki. Tikiro hati kangenese bizo wakoraki. Nikyo kura most cases by the way advice girls be yourself, be you. Bakiki kioli. Omusajja no yenda nyo vivi. I am me. If you don't want to love me, there is that one who's really interested how Vivi is, how she has grown, how she's shaped. So ati okwo no gamango nyo Vivi yogotaka onkole bati nkumwenda. Hali kunyenda. You know your one man's meat is another man's what?
Poison.
So hata bana Abaisiki, abanyakaitu, abanywani baita ba bosses, tube itwe. Let us stop faking life. Let's be real.
Kikusobo.
Niba marani babi how? Jesus.
But election video bakwate video ba.
Basleying kanda kaja omanyire there is life people are living on social media and behind social media. Abana online hano bakwenda kutoleka they are doing all. They are totally fine. Bite mwana yoku iko mwana behind online.
I know.
Okuchura na mazika no gamba bazoleke. Ono mwana wako posting kine kinta mukutubire bono. Chonka gendo muroro ubire buno okugwa ne kigono gamba kiri hatawuni hano.
Ego. Kandi atayizire na competition za masimu.
iPhone.
You guys. Yakamba gambire emikono nitengana.
Of course be told. Never.
I can afford a 15 Pro Max. Buli omaine kintu kyayenda. Hatibo Vivian obankusanya owe kutandikira ha kurara kurungi ndali harungi. Behind nkomuntu maybe otakamanyire maybe nkani nkwata tekino. So nyabanza nyagamba lekandale kurungire kanfune business leka because by the otokura some of us esimutu zigura because of business.
Yes.
Chonkano osangoli competition. Kasaguzire 15
okumuraza na arora
aragenda bamuhube kuli na
aina kufuna abasajja nka 10 bamubyamo mu kichweka ni kwa rasaswire
for real nyongamba muna abantu this is just advice nyongamba omuntu obwakuba mfunira omuntu akankwana akaija kale not everyone has a business orunda nsangira duko bansangire anywhere so the next thing maybe he wants to drop me nandropinga ho wange afuna mana gagaruka kunterera nyenkia orunda kagaruka kanga nkamugamba hani I need some money akakwate mtwara tana kagimpa
of course
chonka abana baiskala abamanyire kwastoka mugamba dropping
then it takes us back to where I told you like they are living in a one house 10 of them bakuna gamba mufali
bali bayingi omusajja mu inviting because sometimes okura as we be it's a one relationship no muntu kakiasa bite ekyo tutukira akora rundi maybe oli nakugamba can I pick you up nko muntu when I zero wanga I offer you some juice and all that nsajja najja aba comfortable so naikara chonko mu osango musajja izire maybe akuletere some packed food chonko ajja kusanga Abaisiki mukaga
yiwe kanda kumukiza no kwikayo ongo kumukiza kwikayo akumugamba I'm just to take an example okuba no ikara like can we say behind HB agamba get me at HB wano kyamugamba I'm coming emisinda irukiregeira takulinda atakukulinda ohike No. There are reasons behind there are reasons that's why they don't want to take me at their places.
Akuzoka kurungi chonko msajja ja kwiko muka kwa man and by that it's not even good to take everyone at your home but I'm saying hello muntu we are in a relationship okwenda kuumanya ntali kuterere simu ndi kubi ndwairo tamanyireho kunyiha but no sanga Abaisiki muri munana mu room so it mukwesonda rent
buli muntu akuteka omutwaro niko bareba sasorenti abye mutwaro 10
nikakura relationships z'Abaisikabu tizihangara because jakusangola jairo rgoyero on manya ibiri zone
akalega bakabagaine endika bagibagaine so anorambo abana banu nguba kusakule bakule makwataga nabo muntu butito tito omanye muntu
some girls share knickers.
They do share knickers, they do share inputs. You were Julius abana bahema ntoko basobora. Abana bahema ntoko basobora bwensonga. Halo mwana takusana kugamba ngu kayegula katete yake. Obokaguze kiyalizo ma vis collection agula katete. Nyenki aleni okumura kajua ile ile. Chonka remember kiyalemo benege vya kajua ile nyenki aleni. You know bo takufa yongo abakubangu ijo vivino kajua ile barandora bata.
Anta kujwala akajwala genda semeze
the public, you know, they want the public, they want a public attraction. Bakwenda bakwenda attracting abantu, proving a point they are okay, like they are doing well.
Me, I have something to say about girls abaikara munobaingi. Vivian, like Naiwe Allen, you've realized that abantu abaisika baikara ni bali mu group, they have inner competition.
A lot.
They have inner hatred for each other.
Exactly.
All in a hurata kwendera kimutaiwe, but because they're in the same group.
But in the same
situation. Okusanga nibe kore bintu bitalimu, all atwaira musajja woli, all bayejumire binu, all bekozere binu. It's too much. And by the way, you girls, what makes you think that being in a group makes you more of classy?
I don't know.
You guys, omusajja gonze na akwana abantu akasange ki group kya Abaisiki, some men get disgusted.
They run. Actually omusajja bakwana akasange ina
learn to move on your own pace. Competition again abanage iraru. Try to be you. I'd rather be alone than be in such scandals.
You know?
Kuongeza
oh no manya joire kino. Oh no manya he. Kase yakwatene simu. Kasarara kijungu na nyoka ngende ngundale. Prete genda kukwita.
Oh kole apesi ya kase. Kasa ina business. Iwe tomaina mulyango mtaone bagupangisa bati.
ati tokurora
That means that man doesn't love that. Okay, baracha kusa kumpinga kiriyateta wakati antwara hala kusa
kwenda haliyo noli akuswagama ngunyo wakiriyateta niwo kwenda kwenda, you understand?
Exactly.
So omubomezi bwensi buno buli twina caliber of different people with a different class and different goals, you understand? So msajja kwa nagamba kutokusa kumpinga kiriyatete then aliyo lagamba nywale nogo niwe kwenda wakiriyatete, you understand?
Abakuba akwesobora ni hasobo yeni.
And even another thing, everyone has a story. Kurora. You can say you want to be like someone, you want to be like Vivian, you want to be like Kathy ngenda kurana mbali Kathara ngenda kora kinu tomanyire nkayikantaho. People have
the
you
behind.
guys nyongamba abantu. The will sit down and ogimanyire like people who are next to me know that where I've come from. Era nikyonyondora abantu nandwani so babikini nseka ninga kati yona afachi cause tomanyire handi orundi nkabya mamu njiye mtwaro 10.
Neta
Orundi nkarara muchucha ifo. You guys mutandike gempora.
yes,
People who know other post stories baba bamanyire, even our enemies by the baba bamanyira mazim.
kuya batakwenda
Atakwenda
gabaza
kubaza that omusikona rugire nkaha.
Naenda kusisa.
So you girls try to be you. Mantinyo have seen girls that have been lifted by serious men just because they're down to earth, just because they live they don't live beyond their means.
they live themselves in their lines, their means.
No, but no sanga Abaisiki competition kimuli kubi. And another thing, mugenda kwesanga musharingira abasaija.
Just
because someone thinks Kathy aina omusajja kumuha sente na nyoka amwende okurora. So at the end of the day, you girls, friendship is also ebintu ebitamu kwenderanga nabasaija. You guys, it's not really okay.
Not at all.
Bananga you guys nyomba gamba, we all have wrangles, tubamna wrangles in Abaisiki because omuntu wobonere bukuru
no musajja wokubiyama na mukitabu
nyekana
kwechangiraho. Then how about Emiya girl you've seen today?
Nyalo sagazi ntunura because binsanga hanyikalire nura olali musagano ona yendeza musajja wono bakwehara nabo musajja. You girls
Kande kikunyumira abasajja abo, they are not even taking them anywhere.
I know.
He's just using the whole circle like this. Then after the end of the day, guy nagenda because aina family ya kwenda, aina family ya before, aina family of taking a care of. You understand? Kando msajja kukenga, he can never sleep with your friends.
I know. By the way,
Understanding man, take it from me. If my man is so understanding, he cannot sleep with you, Kathy. He cannot sleep with you, Allen.
But on top of that, aroha abasaija kangambe abatarabua
Skirt. I think no, quote my statement.
Abakuba abasaija bagirenu moto egamba ntingu. You never know never settle when you have never met her friend. Nkaura some guy by the way I was like Julius, is it true? Ngo aloho na alimu.
Atata abasajja tuisane enkoko.
Wa hati muisane enkoko. Baitu omusajja wena oba bafune kyakwenda you settle.
Baitu kandi kinu kigaruka halitu Abaisiki. Mbunyonye gombero musajja wa Viva musajja wa Kathy. I am going to do anything I can na akole I'm seducing. Ataho nja aloha Abaisiki.
Tukona kugambira abantu we are doing well, omusajja mpa business eti, omusajja control vacation eti, omusajja akonkolera kinu, omwana ngali mu good school, you understand? But no, sometimes tukibaza mu bubi just like omunywani
mugamba kinu bakinkole Vivian nante.
Yes, I clap for her like she's winning, you understand? I'm like, oh girl, go, you know, it's your time to shine. But iwo bokuba kutwale that perspective umbu Vivia ko epanka akushowinga off, it is your perspective. But in a recent, I'm trying to show my girl like I am doing well, my man is doing this, you understand? So ati iwe oboko wina mutima guli no gamba no, let me find ways how I can have Vivi's man.
So that is how I will go and tell lies about you.
Yes, before Vivi Maraya, Vivi abasajja bamubiyama ho. Vivi kugambia abasajja bahima bona abamaziro.
Asana kuleta evidence by the way. Bana Abaisiki.
I know. Ene omwana kyo mukutanishinga wo musajja. But omusajja akukenga even if someone turns
by the way, if
they have never called you a Malaya, meaning
yes,
you are not beautiful.
You're not doing good. You're not doing well. At the end of the day, kisigara hali oni omanyine how you're moving, how your life is, and what it really takes for your life to be.
Talking about being yourself. Ndozera abakazi abadi ni basirika abana babasai.
Then meaning that yeah, she's still faking.
Omuntu ate ukono ndo omusajja akwende mugambe nyondi Vivi nyina abana bange batano ndi single mother.
Exactly.
So You either love me with my kids or you
go.
You understand? And by the time you go, you're creating a way for some other men who
Exactly.
are willing to love
Ready,
even
yeah.
with her kids. You
But
understand?
the nyonga mbabantu, there are single fathers out there.
No, there are men who want to
Yes,
love women.
men who
you know,
want these women, eh?
Bamanyire omukazi owazayirewo.
She's mature.
She's mature. She has seen it all, and she really want to settle. You understand? So nibagamba kasono akazara. I think Kafe can make a good wife. She can be a good mother. We can really build our family and be some way. So the guy will come in for you and leave this slave queen ataina mwana. Akuslaying, akufaking a life in Abba. You understand?
Kandi in reality Abaisiki baba baina bana nka 18 bona bali mutoyi. Bali mutoyi.
I know. Nabamu baliyo mbanyina babu because
you girls era nyonga mba muno musaija. There is a friend of mine akanterere simu yanga mbakase nabade like nino omwala gwenjaka naine sanze nga ina abana babiri. But akaba baukaine na ex we but ex we mumanyire kimumbu yakai hamenda stali hanse 7 cool. But you're busy talking about a woman that accepted pregnancy
to be a mother
and she moved on with life with her kids. Chonkano tanika kanda ati kumurabya amama iso no yendori abanagire mantinyo girls are bought.
Yes.
Abana bakusensa abana mu matoyi.
Yes.
For real, it's becoming a new normal. For sure, it's becoming a new normal. Banti abortion nikokura ati nyonga abaisiki me don't be there and be like ona kazara kinona kazi bananga abantu bakwiha mayenda. It's not really appropriate.
And by the way, time is going to reach. You want a kid. Rwanga kabakwahira abana bono bahiremo banagire. You're looking for a kid mukama nagamanga ko opportunity yokuba na abana, but you've killed all these kids, innocent souls. So you literally find a time you want to settle or funyo msajja mugaga agenda kuswera, for example akujja kuswera agambire kanyijo wanya iziro wanya bungire, so akwenda omwana. This guy is promising to get your business, to take you to change your life completely from zero to some way. So omwana akabura. Why?
Abortion.
Enda zo bayino yihama bana bayino naga. You know we do the things, but God is there. God is always seeing.
Nyonga mba muna abantu respect omukaza kwasire yazara.
Yes.
Because Vivian, by the time I'm pregnant, kakenga I'm 1 month pregnant. I can't cure abortion kubani nkusaki kora.
Yes. But by the time you come out,
regardless of I can think about that. Oba kisa crossing your mind. And chonkati tinkitekereza onyakwata nyazara.
And these days tukuzalira abasayija abana, tukuzala abana baitu.
Ogenda kwesanga twina abana.
Baitu.
Pasa nono sango ino mwana. Buli kimu kyona niwa and they are okay.
We are giving birth these days abana bali baitu. Era buli I'm sending a high love to every single mothers out there. Love yourself, girl. Hustle so hard to take care of your kids and always love your kids. You never know in the future. So if you don't take care of your kids or don't love your kids, you don't know what tomorrow will bring on your table. Or sakuba kubi abana bozaire niwe bakusa kurwaraza niwe bakusa kukurolera. So buli mukazi ali single mother and your kids, you can bring something on table for your kids to eat or survive. Mukama kikole kana kikubale, and God should always open door for you because we go through a lot as single mothers to take care of our kids, and the single mothers out there bakutura, you know what it takes to bring a food or drinking water for your kid or to bring something oboboy nukiro kataha muka. For example, niwe mama niwe tata omwana ozire nakavera. There is how these kids make you love. Omwana ijana kwaka hug, omwana nakuhuginga like mom will be back. Webale you nano urambo. I have another family in my life regardless. Kandi nyeki nyamaze kuno kusinga nko mukazi osakutura, for example abali mu business oba abali mu offices osakutura, you get stressed at work. Mu office boss wakambuharire ebintu byangire hamuli makasoma babuzire rent kuli kubi, URA kuli kubi, okagamba oka feeling like it is a lot on your head. You cannot carry it for yourself. Okagamba kotahemuka, bo hikamuka omona ga mami, are you okay? Is everything fine? No ramble like your own kid is trying to to calm you down like akufa yo. So bokaran kinogamba bine bintu byensa. At the end of the day we are living this. So ekintu kyabana. By the way, I'm so proud mother of 2 boys and a very proud one.
Because single mothers, they should be strong. One time mkafuna ho mkazi haduka. Miski murungi. And another thing we nakwefa ho you guys. Aba basajja babazara muni baba nagaho. benda kubalolera kimunu muzokanka ebikere.
Yes,
for sure.
Omusajja yenda kulora kuleke obe kubi ayoleki ensingu no yakuyambaga kubesa.
I'm speaking from experience. Omusajja bumuzara abana oba anything akarora you're doing fine. Oma ebigambo byakubali ogwo malaya. Akwenda bagayisiko gwa bitunzire.
Akwenda bigaga byetawuni hano.
Chonka me always omusika ngamba Kathy I'm really tired oba bana mbatwale mukyaro oba nyonjwa hiro bangende mbanagiro musajja. At the end of the day bana babo.
Yes, that's what I was telling you.
Women stand strong. Ikaroli strong abana babo ba raising. You never know. Abana babo bagenda kutaninga out to be something more
very big in a future.
Yo somba gamba muongere kurwana kandi muende kora. You guys are Abaisiki abanyome mirimo.
Exactly.
Ituna tukatandikira by the way. Tukatandikira from nowhere.
Yes.
Nowhere. I was hosted once on Kitara TV. You should go and check that video. I think it's 3 years back or 2 years. Nowhere I was doing online shopping. Ninkosa online, but you guys supported me from online to reality. So you shouldn't despise what kind of a job it is, as long as you're not going for men to sleep on you and get something to eat.
Not every woman is supposed to be a CEO.
No.
Not tingamba buli omu mbutaina mugiso chonka mbagamba not everyone agenda kutandika ina mbunyina kufune kiyokora chonka kina kuba kyange. Emilimo eriyo you guys. I've seen omwisiki natandika nafunagwa akasente musara mutwaro 15.
Ne10.
Chonka naba hono sango omwisiki.
As long as wamanye kihakwenda akasaving akasente kayo kurungi.
Tosa kungamba you want a better future when you have no address.
Yes. Or if you're having a dull mind,
but mobile money ko kuikara every day. Nuho muntu akuyamba gya kusanga.
Leka nekyo Kathy. If you're getting like for example mtwari 15 oba 10. But you have a dull mind. Osabaze gana mubara kuzinywa. When will you save? When will you rebuild yourself? Kwate mitwari yawe 10. Saving etano, spending etano. Ituna niko twakabayiri. But I think uzona kwazifuni oyirukire ogenze mubaro spending ile.
Inakolekya abokolekya bakulya magoba.
Bakuseka and these are the guys who are going to laugh at your downfall by the way. They are going to laugh at your downfall. Omanyiro kuiko kagwa kaseba ajja kutera obululu.
I know.
Twaga tukamugambo ogwo. Tali sobere bagamba ka hore kutahize.
Kana tokurore nyekisaga.
Bagamba ka hore kutahize.
Tukamugambo. Bamubanu mujwalira kubolekya that fake life you're living. Baba manyire.
Kwehoze ngoye.
You guys abasajja baba manyire. Nyowe haloho there is a time I was out. Some group of girls in Kalebata Hamanyabaire. So there were 2 men on the next table. Baizire we lero we. Omuhabu ize goro rugoye ruwe.
Aruirenga.
Tamanyiro amabanja gabaina abantu batandika hembos on such beautiful girls.
I know.
Kikanuma nkomuntu because I felt like I'm a woman. Me when it comes to women, boje nyoti nyendo muntu ateka hanso mutayo.
Yes.
Nikyo kusanga sometimes I support women ngena ninsubura tukampala. But I want my fellow girl to earn. Iranja kutera Vivian boy ne jumpsuit 10. Angame mtwaro 12. Ngamba okegirete. Okuro. Ningamba mtwaro rundu jumpsuit kampala mtwaro 10 oba 10. But she is a fellow lady.
And this is the person you know you're supporting your own. You understand?
Muleke kuteka Abaisiki bataiba you down. Let me give you a scenario. Ekitu kandu maloho mwisiki she's obanekolera jange. Most people know her. Like nyunja mkugambira off camera like ataham yajaga munaduka yange bikibiki na like trying to support. So one time Aija angamba she wants something bichi nyamugamba we banzo koleka oteka aka deposit. I know kale you be supporting kala nyakiraga kumhereza like nampa, but this time around it was something really big. Kana
you give her things she pays installments.
Yes, tinkuraba nyamugamba funa yaka sente and even nindora takisobora. You guys alo abantu bobo manyire.
Yes.
Mbukala akugamba kwende wigi emitwara 5. Hala Abaisiki babisobora. Most girls ya inhwema babisobora. But hala abandi abatayinaki.
Obusobozo
tunagenda koraki akiko.
Kiyeho.
Mwisiki nyamugamba we abakota twarobuka wigi ka human kan kemitwaro 15. We yalemeraho. Nyamugamba we tingenda kusobora koraki kuhereza. Yarugaho. Yagenda ina saloon. Aka salon ngira kamanyire nyoko tinsakwika. And remember, for me, I'm a business lady. I deal with every type of people like abantu bona over level obaki. So you're gonna
innocent of women, innocent of together different women.
Manya biki Abaisiki betunda oga kubibaza she's a very chronic amanyirwe mu kwetunda muta era bonze mubalize gano I bet even nabantu abali behind the cameras
bakumumanya
amanyirwe town eno in that funeki ebiri
nawo manya Julius
funeki ebiri kiawe okimuherezo role mutatahe sometime back nkaninduga masindi that's why my mom is nyamusanga ngira kabaina wakuruga kuba nawe na rubata mpaka mtown.
Imagine
you girls. So kikanduma muno that she went saying ill things about me kunteka hansi habukubati nsoboire kumuyamba that particular time kandi naona akirora habukubati nkwena nkwereze kintu kemtwara 5 okisasulire myezi mukaga nkuba ntakukora
esente zikwazi byamire
ito tiba business lady you're not going to in fact even she doesn't know that I know because Sangana commenting
she's putting on this plastic thing that pretends
all my life era nyonga mba muna abantu omuntu aliruga yakagamba nyali mwetunziro how can I term it like I've ever been with
exchange
that person,
your body with money.
Your body with money. They call it barter trade.
I don't know
exchange of goods to an item. It's called barter trade.
Like point again and driving abantu nyole leka twendezangane. Let's stop the things of kuteranga no kokora ogene msaluni kandi be yabigambire that lady mwiskaka jayanga menga mabaida nyizire gura kinu because the girl ebintu byangambirege bi inspiring ge kujja ku supportinga
atokuranga ku marketing
akaija omisikia gura wigi ye bay oguna nkono muzino mwisiki wasi yagure wigi eye bay oli yakuba na sondere myezi ola kagigura
aka ku marketing aka haro muntu kubaze kintu kikaba kibi kikaita na good thing ati obi yakubalize yakulita customer shidede marketing yotatemwa de chiko
abatendezanga na mutauni munu no saku mutunura no gamba kale no kaisiki kali kakuzoka baitako kamanyire mama kakarwara irano ebijuma nubikayihireyo you girls why do you always feel comfortable take a whiskey your fellow woman down
but omuntu otaka keberaga omweto tanga na
that is not even the point because at the end of the day talini wakubya manogo muntu I bet that omusajja agenda kwano muisikogo ni why nakumanya soma
testing a status y'omuntu yes
you're not going to talini why nagenda kuba no manya barwaire no manyaki but abaisiki muteka munaba isiki more like mwenda muno kuteka abaisiki hansi
your full girls
oli nagamba genda nkaguro rwemu Vivian akiri ntemba emotoka ngenda
Kampala
by the way
so ngira kintu kiona kikuletereza all lack of employment being idle having nothing
being
to
so
do
envious banange you girls being so envious
Bunyoro Kitara Development Association ekitebe ekinya kuteranisa abanyoro bona bahangalira omunsi zaheyo nikikuhikiyaho Bunyoro Kitara Convention eyo murudo gwa kabiri omwaka guno 2025 kutandika n'ebiro byokwezi 27 mpaka ebiro byokwezi 29 omwezi ogw'omukaga omurubuga London ha Grand Safia Banqueting Hotel omutwe omukuru gwa convention eno guli history and legacy the culture and heritage of Bunyoro Kitara nyaburai wetungire tiketi yawe ha pounds 10 zonka abana bate myaka 17 no garuka hansi bo bali ba pounds 50 abanyoro nywena harimo kali abanyakuli bungerezaho henyini mu America Canada kana harimo kali mu ije twegonze ka abanyoro tunyumira umuziki ku rugombana bo mukabazini bebemere Fego West Ami Shakur, Harriet Dinkins, Jesse Nectar, DJ Shadina tabuliro muziki gwomoka. Tujja kuba ine binyumo bingi gambanka all white boat party. Eno kugisasulira just pounds 40 egenda kuba hakisaro themes ebiro okwezi 29 esaha 11 za rwebagyo. Kandi tugenda kubungira Petty Rivers Museum mu Oxford. Turebe bintu abajunge batutwayiro nka abanyoro. Kura ticket yawe ha eventbrite.co.uk. Orundi sasura mu banka eri mu mabaraga Metro account number 8926 nkaga na munana asatu na munana mukaga kumanya bikusingaho bungire kibanja kyaito www.bunyorokitaruk.org abanyakutaire mwensimbo harimo bukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara Armstrong Kigulia HB Hotel ABM Electricals Mika Eco Resort Hotel n'abandi bangi muno nyaburaiwe nkongera kwijukizo taferwa mwijje twegonze ka abanyoro
Bunyoro ni huruga Bunyoro ni rwangi
mwebale muka short break kaitwako Mulingo mukutulabulira muntu la lunch and it's fully sponsored by Kabalega Resort Hoima and Masindi. Oh by the way Kabalega Resort esangwa eya Hoima branch esangwa off Masindi Road haliba kombeka ekisa stadium okuvuga wakatito hamukono gwawe go bulyo no branching off. That is, I think they could be 3 kilometers from town, Hoima town. Nyo Kabalega resort Hoima nambere kusangwa. Then Kabalega resort Masindi ekusangwa 3 kilometers from Masindi town to Kampala road. They have the best services around town. Rooms zabs banungi. Baina swimming pool. Baina tunabai the Hoima hanu ni mutu walonchinga. Hoima branch ni mutu walonchinga. The spa section. Tuinamu gym, tuinamu steam, tuinamu sauna. So you can always come through and support Kabalega Resort. Why not? By now playing section for the kids. Rooms zabanungi. They literally have a big environment. Oboko bano enda kora garden. Oboko ina yobu genyim. Garden is zero. Yes. Itwenkaba host ba TVN. We are so grateful Kabalega for giving us this opportunity. Thank you Mr. MD. Wabale kutsponsoringa, wabale kutuha. Buli kibaida buli tikimu kikumura hanu. Kiabusa. Because they are the main sponsors. But to high revenue, they have given us food, they have given us a drink. You should support Kabalega Resort. Because, I mean, why not? It's a base around Bunyoro. And Itali otoko yamani, Itali okajagaraire. It's more of an environment thing. It's more of a green thing. So, you should come through and support.
I think you have to do
Back to my co-host, Allen.
Mwebale kuba naito ni mukiaturora. So topic yete kyagendo maiso. Omuramwa guli bulomu abe niwe, be yourself, be you. You don't have to pretend to fake to get over jobs. By the way mba nyenda kubaza one kinde hamirimo. Abantu abakulemesa batayiba hamirimo.
Kubasiga
obusa mwa bosi no gena no bazakiri no yefora boss omanyire muno itwe na missionary yokuteka kintu hameza itwe na tukajaho okora itwe na tukutoza kubaho. So mutayiwa oleka kumusiga obusera mwa bosi niko arugeho iwo sigaleho
obosigalo
togena kufuna mugisa gona go kusisa ibara lya mutayiwa mwa bosi hatinuleka agende arugeho agenda abone niko semererwe kind of which na itogenda akoraki
ogo tiguli mulimo gwawe
togenda kufoka CEO togenda kwa inherited togenda kora. So abantu abakulemesa abatahi babo not only on jobs by the way binte bindi byo business biki mu butale nkaha hona. So muleke kuba ne mtima kangamba gete mtima yekiko mtima yake ya Goliath Yuda
emitima
by the way by the way
we need to talk about the Yudas. Tuina ba Yude kimukutukora. Mukwefora mukutweda. Mukutusekera. Tukubantu kyabatera emigongo ni mutandika kutukona bukona kutuhema. By the way Hoima, abantu ba Bunyoro, emitima embyegyo, plastic smiles ezo by the way. Zaki. Obokotanye otakunyenda nyole kya vivi to nyenda. Show me, tell me like Vivi, I don't like you. Tugenda kuli obutwa tutamanyire. Because we keep with people and you know nituolekya mukutwenda
tukabulyira nyo butwanka bulyaho ira
atoka surviving
traditionally
nawe tutakangu mukiwe kumanyira
mukaga nyo
butwaka abantu bwoba noyendeza ofune birungi
mukamaruro mutima.
Yes, we can't be perfect tusakuba perfect nkabantu oba Kathy is 100% perfect, but learn to love each other. Bantu nyo muendeze, you never know ogenda kusanga nyenki
aga kurekomendinga
nyo Abaisiki yambazaga mune bintu Kathy biki nibandwanisa muno, and I don't know why, but of course nyenki nkiragamba era mwana muturwanisa mutongera haiguru because barwanisa
bakuliftinga
tibas iyo walorweni barwanisa muranga
kandi bakwenzaki
mbuba muihe halira kasasi
tibaine kibakukwenza.
So nyeki nyina gamba omusike gwe nkamusanga yandwanisaga muno nambaza biki chonka nkamusanga in a position whereby she really needed me.
Your help.
She needed my assistance.
Ati nyati nkuyamba.
I don't know, of course
I will not help you.
And she walo yambire ho muntu akahura like nahura that thing, that guilt.
Tinko kuyamba because omuntu tahinduka.
No, nyeki one thing I can say. Nyeki nyina gamba, me I'm a believer. Nikyo ngamba.
We are.
Thank Kora because I'm doing it for you. Nkikora because of God. Nkikora it will always come back to me. No gamba katherera gya kugwa no run in the new stock.
Nyoka thing.
Katerera no run entire kintu kyokulolera kimeki esente.
Nyowe.
You girls try to love each other. Mwendeze tomanyire nyenke. Hata alonya abaisiki bantunula no rembera mbi. Hati nko employing regard kale nkakwa ga 15. Tokura no nyumirwa bwomezi.
But once a snake
Chonka
is always
some
a
of
snake.
you no rolera
Yes.
kinsora koraki kuyamba. So banti nyo tuendezangane. And by that let's talk about this. A failed friendship is not beef.
Exactly.
Banti nyo a failed friendship is
A
not
good
beef.
one. That's a good topic to discuss about.
Banti nyo nyahala abantu bamanyire mukaba tuli banywani
We are no more.
Watagane.
Things ended and life moves on.
Chonkoli no musanga Vivian no sanga munna nakwabuza no muhabuza kathali yo kwa duko.
Tinkwa nakura.
Kura. Ogomiski.
As if oli mukaiba nyowe.
Banange tibali nabo baisiki bonka n'abasaija. Banange you girls obturaba tuli twabairo banywani. Kimanye nti was expired bikahwaho.
Let everyone enjoy her life.
Mugambe eti manyire bikumufaaho late. Chonka no sanga omuntu akubaza bibi. Banange you guys we are not beefing. Oli na agambira kimukwaso gwamparana. Abakwatu kwabanywani. Bojo halono wuntunura ni kwatwense ko oli na agamba nkumuharana. Chonka no kwata no seka no gamba mali. Atonu muharane ho kimali.
I know.
I'm not trying to put anyone down, but you guys eke kigambo kibaki amani. Kintu kyokuharana omuntu. Kibaki amani. Bunda bambaire munywani wawe. Tutukyali banywani. It's fine. And even no one needs to know. Vivian, there are some people you know that nkatabuka nabo. Walompa bwizo hoba omuntu ogwo kikeki atabwire nkatanka kugamba akankora kino.
You don't have that time. You're
I have
busy.
no time to tell you
You're busy.
Kaba. It was failed relationship. Even
others
bonze
deserve
tukiri
that.
abanywani bonka n'abasaija.
N'abasaija batukuba tubendeze.
Tumaizire bwire hamu bibihoire.
Bali no tatampara ine.
Saija rutankire. Ogwo malaya. Ogwo
Okunsiga obusabuli hamu okunsiga
No, akengera hamusajja w'okwenda.
akunkwana afining out ngo vivi malaya vivi mubi.
On his own.
Yes, like akunsiga obusa because your time expired. You already know nyenda.
Exactly.
Busa yansigira obusa in your regime. So your regime expired. Leave this guy to shine with me.
to enjoy.
Let this guy discover mbu vivi ata hamalaya vivi alikinu. Because you obaina nyowe habakintu abaire malaya.
Wewe.
Iwe busa yakusigira obusa
Emyaka
tuli hamu.
yomazira na nyoka no nyenda leka nagenda to enjoying. Cool.
Maybe no okura kine kitu relationship.
It is just maturity.
It's all about the two of you. It all starts with you and him or me and him. Because we might say katutandika rugendo runo, for example, I and my current man. Ningamba, I'm going to love this man. I promise him us and heaven. He promises me everything on this earth. Chonka at the end of the day, as one boy but kintu kino. Bintu nibyanga ku working out.
Yeah.
And you quit and end. Baita abasaija ekintu okikangire mwana yofoka mubi. Oli malaya. Nyoka nekisinga kumbiza by the way. Omusajja obwamu wa ukaini. Katwa ukande buli muntu agende byayi. Eri sajja tisana kukiza kuhe mirembe like kulekere musajja onda kwenda. Boje nilikana kusigobusa. Kandi obonu yanyu bikahwa.
Bekambaze na
Bikahwa.
Osangoli Vivian ali mu relationship. No musajja we, she's married. I know musajja we. Chonka bana abalya mmere. Baukaine bakozera ki
bakamuleka munju
bakinyenyo ebintu by'abantu babiri timbitekaho bigambo byanga because you end up embarrassed. Nero wajenyo abantu nyenyala ebintu bindora no baza kathataina ogya kubasanga babiri oswa
ogwekigwo oba omuntu oteko ogamu oyeyijuke no isananke embonya mpire mukatala habo kubaza bingi
obaza bingi banti ebintu by'abantu bakwerora bali busa mu bihe mugemini
epilo talk. So this goes back to Eva, who is always poking on people's relationships.
I know. Vivian baukaine.
Omusajja
amukiro. Hello yagambire. Bwire nyabaye ningenda muno Kampala. Kathana Vivian non bakusana batakyali banywani. Batabukire. I know. You guys, we have things to do. You know. Banange personally, me, I'm in a relationship with someone ali, not in home.
Around, not around, within.
And I'm human, nina kubananga ramo msai. So I'm always off and on.
And for us, we have business partners, by the way. Kasa supports me, I support her. So at the end of the day, we still have so many things in common. And that will really always bring us together.
Ebiantu bintu.
Yes, it's not a do or die. Yes.
I know.
And let it be. But you create that enmity, you create that talk, you know, you make it, you make her the worst person in your life.
I know.
I mean, I was once a good person in your life. You know, abantu bana bakutubaza ababayiro nabaho munywani wawe
nengoye najwara zawe kunywako nanywera biru yawe kyonka niwe nagamba kusanga kathakiri mfwa okura
No, you have Zaka Koraki.
you guys
No, you have Uza. Ale no
By the way,
Koraki. Is it because you decided to cut ways and end this nonsense?
I know.
And by the some of you, we decide to end this relationship
Because she's going
drama.
nowhere.
Trina and Mary together. Trina, you guys are not adding anything to our lives. Eh?
So on that-
Wena, you have that skulk of the girls, and these girls are not adding anything in your life. Cut them off.
you rather be alone.
Be alone and be yourself. Because at the end of the day, bakukwikala kukubaza
Halo abandi
kukugeya
bansangirege
bakuterera obukule, you know they are putting you down.
ngira abantu abo kubamanyi kakabaka group ngira oba bayibazaho bikato omuyabarugame ebigambo biri bingi
Niko
but
bata
this advice I can give you muramu baire mu group mukaruganga naho
Omanya
be
kuba
yourself
nokyalugao.
ero taikana
Nawe
no
nibakubaza noli na kyalugao, nawe nibakubaza, nawe
mbaba kuba
nibakubaza.
tokyali mu group. Cool. If you can afford your drinks alone, be yourself. Mutatina nkyo ngamba bakazi osanga ali mu relationship oba marriage okutina kurugamba ragamba.
Hey,
Aba
and by
bantu
the way,
babayo disajja niri kutera.
abakazi
Omusajja abantu babayo rukazi nurukujuma rukwiki ayo.
omukazi,
So you guys-
and this goes back to you, to the viewers. Obokubo oli mukafumbo. My dear sister, my friend. Obokubo oli mukafumbo, kali toxic. Gaya kukutera, gaya takurolera. Olikisimura takubara muka abuntu tamanyire ngu oli mwana w'omuntu tamanyire ngu naiwe omukazi ajuara aliya tamanyire no wanyu oyikaliza kabine kisajja kukusamba pakinga ebintu bya orugeyo
Ata aro
pakinga ebintu bya orugeyo abasajja baliyo baka dera abasajja bayezere banuka ebintu
aro baba nibagamba
Hey.
akukutera buli kiro nakwe milioni 10 buli wiki na
Je kamba gambira sanga omusajja kutera ogwo nuwatagabana chukuru.
ale no omusajja kukenga tateera kandi by the way nyowe nkuzire kuika hano. My mother is still married to my dad.
but
I've never seen my father slapping my mother.
na provoking yeah
Lekaho
aro mukazi
ogo muraru.
vivi aro mukazi ku provoking omusajja muslapping
Yeah, that is okay.
if you are a man beat me
I'll slap there. I admit
you are not beating
there. That is okay. If I provoke you to an extent, like you're supposed to slap me, put sense in my head. No, that like I could tell you because you've provoked him. But on which circumstances? On which grounds?
Again, there is no smoke without fire. Togenda kungamo get provoking omusajja omusangira limire mbeta ine kya.
No, they are stubborn women. They
Exactly.
are stubborn women. Kathy in a marriage. So omusajja wamo kusanga omukazi ali very stubborn. You slap her, sweetheart.
she will calm down
Banti nyo
and
get-
she will
get
say
Get
sorry.
into her senses. Eh?
abakazi
she-
abalalu baliyo
Yeah, there are stubborn women there. And by the way, what I've noticed, abakazi abaroni bali mu bufumbo.
ati vivi kankugambire nyo omusajja akachitinga omukazi waayi omunju yayo omukazi akabatalo omukazi wakana serving omusajja akamuservinga a condom on a covered plate. Tell me why I should not slap you.
I'll kill you.
Tell me why I should not slap you.
I will not spare you. For that case, that's understandable. Why would you even do that?
I didn't get ngamba liya abakazi abali so
Yeah, there are women that provoke their men, so their men are entitled to put sense in their heads. Wama swiri. Put sense in their heads. Slap that stupid girl. How do you even bring a
I used condom on a plate like
What the
you're
fuck
serving
is
me.
this?
Yes, okutera
We
omukazi.
are back to you men.
I don't
Learn
agree
to
with
treat.
it.
Back to you men, learn to treat girls, people's daughters well. Awana abandi mubafweho. Nkamulingo wamwendiza muteka makagawe. Whereas she's the best woman of all the women. Love her. Give her what she deserves. Let her be a happy married woman. Yeah?
Because a happy woman. No, Julius,
we
a happy
appreciate.
woman does not cheat.
Does
a
not
happy
quarrel.
woman respects you.
Oh,
A happy
by the way.
woman will give you peace. But you are the one who do vice versa.
And you guys,
You reach there to an extent you're very rich.
mukafuka bamani.
Okundora
Mtufoka kasasiro.
kakajango kala kabwa.
We need to discuss about the topic.
Okulora bano
Habwaki abakazi habwaki abantu bakukala relationship. Never cheating. Where are people either married women or girls relationship keep on cheating on their men?
I think they are not happy with their men.
Why? You think they're not happy? Kasi, if you are, why
For
do you
example?
think? Take an instance. You're married to your man, and you're cheating on him. What really forces you to cheat on your man?
No, ate abasajja bandi sometimes me I'm talking from experience.
Yes.
Musajja waba naiwe most of the times mukaba like naba naiwa kurorokora buli kimu. They think you can survive alone atine kya kuyambira. Bantinyo, you cannot tell me okwenda kathe abe solo yo. Katha isibise isoke, katha kora buli kimu, katha kurolera abana, katha kora everything ekyomanyiro muntu kyakora kyakusakwe ikyaho. At the end of the day, you want a very loyal, loving woman. Buli kimu kyona haduka kusasura buli kimu kyona. At the end of the day ngenda kufuna yakoraki.
But why would you keep a man why would you keep a man in such a situation?
Anti tumara ntubaleka, but sometimes nikyo ngambege fiyeri yabakazi kumuvinga on. We all had
what you fears. Think about you care about the public opinion.
Relationship no tina kurugam.
Nyowe. So I've had several of them.
Me have been in search,
but my happiness comes first.
Anti tokura okaiko bwire wagamba your happiness.
My happiness comes first. So whenever I feel I'm unhappy, so I'll take my ass out of there.
Whereby everything is supposed to be on you. Abakubaka kumanyira. Whereby ngenda kufuna msai John Vivian, like a man I'm with now. You know, he's a provider. Buli kimu kyona kumpereza chonga singanya tanikire ni moleke, it's fine. Abakwa basajja tubaturugire nabo harabana batuba nti takusobora no kuhereze something because they feel nyalo muntu nyabaire nawe. Na manya ogya kwate tune mtwara 5 nugo gagya kora everything. Chonga hiyebero you're going to ogya kusubura ogya kora ki you need to parent ukuru. Whereby haliyo musajja agenda akusanga gambe kathe byonna oli mukazi.
Abakazi we are meant, even the Bible says abakazi we are meant to be given twatondebwa kuweebwa. Mubindi
aina yongerwaho.
Yes, Bible gambira aina yongerwaho, so omusajja suppose
But one thing I know about men is they treat you how they feel about you.
Yes.
Omusajja akerenye nkyakala na kuenda vivi.
Nenkaite mpaka oguguzire. Nobya kugamba ki wiki yona ngimala kabalega hanu erumbu zabe zemitwara 3 4 you pay that. If I tell I want a vacation at Kabalega
because he wants
you do that because you know that's what makes me happy.
And if it's not providing, meaning you are not worth it to be provided.
Men provide where they want.
Exactly.
There are some men that are stingy nanye mubamanyire.
Even if a man is stingy, he will always provide the little he has.
Atitokura no tagya kwazo na kitogambira.
For you have gum in your hands.
Vivian, let's be honest.
No, Vivian, you have gum in your hands.
Ojware wege mtwara ana. Halo msajja wogenda agamba. Sweetheart, ngwenda yakasoke. I want to change my hair. Okamsabe mtwara ana. Gonza zina narora, it's too much. Tasazi kuheza.
No, but another thing, Kathy, is about the man. Maybe
entire. Are you talking about the guy who has money?
Yeah?
Exactly.
Yes, is this guy having money or how is his standards?
That is too much.
Then that man doesn't love you. A man will always provide where he wants.
Because alhola kufuna katicho tumakinga shwanga sieto a generous man.
Na atakuhereza na kikume bukopi bwe buli bwingi muno. Nagamba isokeri mtwara neryo isoke type ki okura. Such men you know them.
I'll dump your ass. Me as Vivi, as far as I know myself.
Nanya mabasajja mmanyege level zanyu. Habakuno tanka kunchulira manyenyeze ezo socket ndi okankwano kansanga with human hair. Okankwano kansanga.
You're doing nails?
Banti nywalo home saija. Akankwana a very good man. In fact yakoraga mtotalo korani wakiali. Obwankwana guy to going in relationships tanka kubahamu biki. So there is a time nyamuterera. Nyamugamba you know what akabataka ijago wange. So that day like yangamba nyize mtauni biki nkabandi muka. So nyamugamba mba itaka izira duka mom yangamba okay let me come home you direct me yaijo wange kumpikinga you know we go and spend some time. So warabiro hobwire nyamugamba hani nyina stress omaya basajja bahura ka stress ni batina mnagato kwendisene nyamugamba ijuka tuli mu relationship oba mazire nke myezi ege teams no me abasajja bamanyire like people have dated no tinka kugambira
biro kya myezi 3 yona omusajja bonkwa ine today
tinka kikiro guy tuli myezi 3 we are tinka musabaga sente
nyokusabiragera sente obwiro obwo mwaka onkwane kyali nyeke nakumpa sente nyizira date nakumpa sente zikungaza yabukwanyize ninzoka kurungi
akantere yayangamba kota kubaza kurungi nyamugamba wenyina some stress nkwende sente like I need money for rent yangamba pose sente meka nanya mugamba we it's 1.2 because the month is 400 kani miezi eyenjuji vemu I swear eyenjuji nina block agenda kufunira enji yemitwala abiri onsangire munjuki I swear oje Julius nikiongamba cut your coat according to your size okura
but even in tumalire tekaniza why would you at this level omukati kusaba musajja transport
to be saba personally
at this level we are not where we are apparently we don't ask for transport data no we are asking for good we are asking for good we are asking for things that are how should I say it
that are a bit too in
fact na WhatsApp yanga kansindikira a number ya blocker mbunjogedde naye agenda kufunira nyumba y'emitwala abiri onsangire munji ningiye sasulira it's not that nyinamo omusajja kyonka nkugambira ompereze and by the way
at least
mikino kigamba abantu
Julius kwa emitwala abiri weyongerezo
ale nyo kigamba abantu ogenda kungamba kathagire sente the moment I'm in a relationship with you
are
I'm very broke yes tingira buli kimu
yes you're supposed to take care of me
okura but once I'm not in a relationship with you mbamanyire buli kimu I want you to add something Julius okura omuntu wena bundanyi no musajja gwanza ina katito nkwenda I should feel that there is a man
you're loved you have someone
of course we do abasajja tubakolera bingi.
We cannot speak what we do for men
on camera,
but they know what we do for them.
Abatwali to dating oba kimanyire oba batuku dating.
Because a woman who is in love can do anything.
We can do so much. Chonkanke
can even pay your rent.
Yagakwa yanterera rweba mukwano enyumba wagisimye. Mbabwene gakaju.
Why didn't you block him?
Ndara kijunga kala ntwara kali abuhire.
Akubisire mu
because we are in love. You guys. Akaju kali abira aliyenju nungi tomfunira akaju karungi. Kali boje bantu bloka yanterera mba abantu tibali bayingi abantu mukisagati bali abantu 12 omwange tubaba maaba basatu nyatunura nyagamba chonkanga nze manyi nkwagala njagala nkuteke mu line yange nyagambo yokufuwa
akusange mu line yawe akwenda kukuyiha kugaze mu yayi
boje bantu ati nyagamba it's fine nyachulera nyamugamba okay ngenda birowoza ko for now ngenda kwesasule kyamuruma so the next thing yangama kani ngenda Kampala kusubura ali Kampala yantera yangama mukwano ogenda kera nyoma ebine bitukera nkaika Kampala sahem duka zona zikyakingirwe abahindi bona aba China bakyakingi nantara jange waka
where do you even get guts of going amano gayihanka
banti
ogo msajja ogo
abasobora
you ina bugumisiriza nyonku bingire gayira
no you know sometimes go msajja he's nothing
you go and pave a way for someone who is willing to come he's killing chances for other men nyonku bingire gayira genda saruzo gwa kulesere nkwenda unyulikie kona
Vivian nkaikowe personally
you're patient with men and that's why you see they are going to bully you. I cannot
no that man was buliamagire kirungi ke Vivian you cannot say that you have never been with a man who at least has a weakness
no they do not every man I have or I've met he's perfect
nyamsabaga sente zo kora shopping ngobo bwire mugameka ningenda kusubura no bane million 3 na kuongereza okulora
so okay.
That was something chonka abantu nywe nkaikowe mwara
what
like ndi munkondo you know put on heels all the time nkurore
nkataha
pateni
zineza
omangaterere kagambo gojeri mnywani wange nyamugamba you know nyamsenke message nterera yani wanji accident the carnage
you ran away
you pretend someone called you
omanyire bulangiti zaira
I know
personal akaija wange he has never slept in my bed but he saw everything
but men also
but yangamba
you know
I needed someone to build him.
What she build
not me because you never built
you build him someone will snatch him
Informed
no
but
if you're working for a big company like Total you can't tell me you're not exposed Julius if you're working for a big company
bunyagenzere yangamba mukwano bate wayagadde wano nanyonya mugamba no igota ni howe because even nkoko kuba norora halaba gayi baba nakaju karungi then kaina karundi kavaranda karungi nukana ikwasiza uganka busani so nindorora kimune bintu twakaga bisani nasindi
ni howe
nikugambirege then it takes us back to offline life
tunura
the online life or the social media life is different from the if you go back to our story,
So
in the
in short,
starters,
Mukwano
People, they take us back to
juice.
the people affecting life.
Eric glass
Nyowende.
yakumpera.
Nyowende.
The only thing that he had that was nice was his car. Erege motoka yagendaga muno. Even
maybe
the video calls.
Maybe that
Yes,
man was
Muno
married,
in
maybe.
a car.
I know your
Or maybe
official
this
house.
guy has married. He's married
He's not
someone.
married. He's a young guy. Mojo muto.
Oh, Nkabwa Julius Agambirege, this
Would
could
you
be a
hit-
ghetto
Era
place,
kanga-
and I had some.
akangambira.
Because if a guy is driving, honestly, how do you even fail to buy things in the house?
No, I never into Tingamre he didn't have. But
Like
not
the
of
house.
Standard.
He's disorganized.
Bantinyo. Julius nayo kimanyire. Entebe zina
Yeah, but
nemba.
you're not his mama.
Kiki.
We,
What do what? No,
we
you
want
guys.
we want men who are
Nkatunura,
settled
yagaruka
because
yantere.
the ones we've built or no,
I'm not building
no.
any man. If you
Because
want,
if you build a man, this fool is going to leave you. So we want the one who have already been built, and these are the guys that we are enjoying apparently. I feel pity for a girl who's saying, from zero somewhere, we are snatching him. Omana kagamba go funye go.
Go ba.
no omusajja kakyetegereza
You be there and you're building men. My dear sister, you're building a man.
Vivian
We are going to take him after he's being built.
akaraba huire guy yanterere simyangama mukwano bakala I realized maybe you're not my type bichina ewandi mbulide
yeah but he knew
nebange yagamba watuka wenna enjeri joli nyango lagira dale ekifo kyo nyamugamba no like
you'd have told him
no nkamugamba nyamugamba I didn't like the place and another thing nkarora ngya kutwala speed hakwana mbali nkugambira mali amaka howange nkusasure mitwarana hatu turaba tuli babiri. Meaning I need a better house because
exactly.
50-50. I need a house whereby na nyonku sakora kitu sakweyamba. Meaning we need a better house. Chonka yo kurolera ki mubana ngayo kali abwire enju yemitwala biri nojira bagali maka. Eri chuchu niho kwenda kunkora tinkubaza kubya alaba nti abayikara yo they are good houses but you cannot kunturuka enju yimbayiremu kungara I need a better place obasi na chindi the same level chonko ngambire egenju sente nyingi ezo sente nyingi kati abantu tebalowoza wetunde ezo sente zijjawa
so but you work you wake up in the morning and you have a business in town.
I work business you guys
so
and you have a man taking care of you.
So
Thank
what
you.
Advice are you giving those ladies who are in that situation?
Sima basajja batwina baturolera
ati nya advice yinku haba isiki abali mu mbeera oba topics twayintu bazaho eyo kubanza yo faking a life be yourself be you. If a man loves you, he'll love you the way you are. Secondly, stop competition. Be happy where you are. The little thing you have, we've all come from nowhere to somewhere. Number 3, stop showing a man you're too available for him.
No.
You know, the more you keep showing this guy you're too available for him, he's taking you for granted. He'll step on your, he'll step on your head like this. So Abaisiki tuanike kuoleki abasai joba tuanike kuoleki abasai jambo. Whether he's around or not, you can still live, you can survive. He's not the air you breathe, sweetie. If he's not the air you breathe, let him go. But he's dumping you. Okuchuraki. Onyoka aliyo saliyo. Go cry from your mother.
Ntumalira, ekinyina like ntumalira what I can say mwebale kutrora mwebale kwagira Kitara TV. And another thing, we all have businesses. Muje mtu supporting, support your own girls. Kuruga in your hometown, mtu supporting. Support me. Kathy's Skin and Body Solutions, Kathy's Hair Lux, wigs, biki abakazendeze nkoto muno. Mubisale, ebinyamanyama, mubisale abasajja. Osanga kasajja kona katito muno. Bintu byona tuinabyo.
Akunyeso omusajja akenge. Location yawe tukusanga nka.
Bedroom products Abaisiki. Abasajja tuinabyona.
Kandi byona abasajja bakwenda abana bali spice.
Abana bali spice.
Kariko kalimu akatunguru kalimu.
Bona buina ati byona mbina bono bakukwata oburungo bona
bakukwata
national hotel tubisasulira duka yango jano gisasulira no gitwala
Mtekwasa abana Isiki
edukera retro decade opposite Hoima opposite radio Hoima room 11 nayo gira kipande Kathy's Hair Lux ekyapa kiri hansi Kathy's Skin and Body Solutions muje supporting muleke kutuharana support us mutwegero supporting angane and nkuramke bona out there the young CEOs bona mbatumire muje mutongere kwehagira no kwekurakuranya. Thank you so much.
So nitumalira mwebale muno kuturora nyowe ekinkumalira nimbaza kiri know your worth. Oba mu relationship, oba mu friendship, oba mu mirimo. Lero kandi amirimo aho hatikiri na worst ndakibaza abo kuba video ne sakwika harayira. So know your worth at work and value yourselves. Kandi manyina kubaza akantu kamu abantu abakututerera garili ni mwine kimu kutwendaho, but when you're okay you are not calling us, but you're just calling us when you need help. Please. Me this year I promise I'm not helping anyone who is not helping me. Kamunyete mubi oba kamunyete mwebale kuturora bambi tubagonza muno. Long live our Bunyoro bana bomuka hali mukalo ba heru nkaha tubaramukize muno mwebale kuturora.
Then nyowe nimbaze kikusembayo Vivi's collection opposite Hema Town Mosque, it's shop number 9B. And I am so grateful for your support. You guys have really supported us for the last 4 years we've been in existence. Mwabale kutugonza, mwabale kutuhagira. Bigambo babinga tauni ogo, but you guys have really showed me like Vivi niwe tu kwenda. And for your support, we are still living. And for your support, a new branch is coming up. So mwebale kutugonza, mwebale kutahure bigambo byabalabe baitu. You understand? And anybody out there, tutuna utenda, we love you all because at the end of the day NS to girugamu. You understand? Bosage kuruga musimu ne kintu kiona. So if you understand imbo, musimu tulimombe just a little time, live your life, be happy, love your colleagues, wish well for your colleagues. You also get, you understand? And back to our main sponsors, we thank you so much Kabalega Resort for sponsoring us and for giving us this opportunity. Who are we? Who are we? I mean, who are we? We are so grateful for this opportunity, and we can't take it for granted. So our MD, we appreciate for everything you're doing for us. And guys, please support Kabalega Resort. And back to my haraka kajokangi baketa Eddie Ken the stylist. Mukahagira kana katako kakingure salon yako. Niko kankozere makeup. Niko katuko by the niko ka makeup artist kaitu. Niko kankozero makeup, niko kankozero kan styling wige erugire mu cafe. So support my boy, he's called Eddie Ken okusaka kumfuna TikTok. Na nesimu ya yero hamanywe mutaun na bagole biki minwa nebinde bikuja maiso ja want to be communicating, but don't forget to subscribe, to follow and comment. Guess the next host, guess the next guest. Mkwena mu comment section ohandike mo kwena to hosting the next week because this show is going to be running every week. So don't forget to subscribe, to follow, comment. Oteke moho kwena tubungise. It's a girl talk show. Iwe tulete tugambe nyonko na mundete nanka nawe wenyine kusakuba ukantu inboxinga okagama nyonko na mumpostinge oba ko ina business. We are here, we need more sponsors. You can DM us in our inbox or meeting texting Kitara TV in their inbox. Let you be among our sponsors. We've just gotten the sponsor. The first sponsor is Kabalega Resort. So now you tukulinzire. Come in. The gap is still around, and we literally want you to support us. Tukwena tulibasaki nekintu tuena tukurakurani. Because at the end of the day, this video is going viral. People come and support your business. It is being viewed by so many people. So our business tubalinzire. Muije mulete business anyu tuzirabi yo hakarango. We can always even come into your business. Ntugamba this week. We are shooting from your business. So just sit our inbox. We are always here. Mutuhikiye tujja kuba tubakoraho. Hey, abantu bakumanyi bagambe ngu nankali yatunda kinu. Nankali yali located hano. Nanka nakina akina. So ito tuli hantu balinzire for your businesses. Thank you for loving us.
Hani mutu following TikTok Kathy Kaira 23 mugende mutu following
Vivi's collection.
Show us love.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.